Here is a question to find the inverse of the following function. So let's start with part A. The first thing is for finding inverse function, we need to make sure the function is 1 to 1. So I need to check the function f of x, the first one, is 1 to 1 or not. So I'm going to draw the graph to check easy. You see here is the graph of 6 minus 3x by 5x plus 7. If I draw any horizontal line, it doesn't cut the graph more than 1 point. So this does pass horizontal line test. It's a 1 to 1 function. So we can find the inverse of it. So now with that, we find the inverse function. Let's work on the steps. Step 1 is write it as y equal to, that is step 1. Step 2 is interchange x and y. So that means in place of x, write y. In place of y, write x. 6 minus 3y by 5y plus 7. Step 3, solve for y. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross multiply. And this is going to look like x times 5y plus 7 is equal to 6 minus 3y. 5xy plus 7x equal to 6 minus 3y. Take all the y terms on one side. 5xy plus 3y equal to, bring 7x on the other side, 6 minus 7x. Can I factor y out? It will give me 5x plus 3 equal to 6 minus 7x. Y equal to 6 minus 7x by 5x plus 3. So when you reach here, that is step 4, and that is your answer of f inverse x. 6 minus 7x by 5x plus 3. That is your inverse function. Let's work on part B. Part B is f of x is equal to 1 minus x square. I drew the graph. This looks like upside down parabola, right? So if I draw a horizontal line, it's going to meet the graph in more than 1 point. So you guys notice this is like that. If I draw a horizontal line, it's meeting more than 1 point. Therefore, this is not 1 to 1. If it is not 1 to 1, we cannot find inverse. Let's work on part C. I drew the graph of this. The graph looks like this. And you see if I draw any horizontal line, it does not cut graph more than 1 point. So this is 1 to 1. We can find the inverse. How do you find the inverse? The steps are, step 1, write y equal to whatever the function is. That is step 1. Step 2, interchange x and y. So therefore x is equal to 1 plus square root 2 plus 3. In place of x, write y. Step 3, solve for y. So let's do that. X minus 1 equal to square root of 2 plus 3y. Taking square on both sides because we need to get rid of this square root. X minus y whole square equal to 2 plus 3y. X minus 1 whole square minus 2 equal to 3y. Y equal to x minus 1 whole square minus 2 divided by 3. So once you find y, your f inverse x is that value, x minus 1 whole square minus 2 divided by 3. That is your solution.